Well, we are off. I'm heading down to the boat lift, and that is why I'm a bit excited today. It's boat lift day. Oh my god, it's boat lift day. So going down onto the Weaver navigation, people call it the River Weaver. It's not, it's a sort of canalised waterway rivery thing. So, oh, and a guy just recognised me on the towpath. So that's like 3 months. But you know, once in 3 months, it's once more than nothing, isn't it? Which is what the riff-raff ordinary boaters, they never get recognised, do they? Now I don't know if I'm slightly early here. Well, I am. Let's see how early I am. It is now 20 past 11. I'm not meant to be there until 20 to 12, so another 20 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll just pull up on the bollards here and I'll be ready to go in, you know, well, whenever I get the shout, I guess. There's oh, it's a tourist attraction. It's surrounded by tourists. Oh my god. Well, fortunately, I'm not doing anything other than driving in. I'm not required to do anything clever or complicated. So there's very little for me to screw up in front of this significant audience. Yeah, nice one. Nice to meet you guys. Have a nice day. Take care. So these are the guys that are coming out. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. It's like a jukebox. Well, maybe I am, yeah. I'm not for half an hour, I think. I'm just going to go and have a word with them, I think, but I'll be the next one down, I think, yeah. My first time, so a bit exciting, to be honest, yeah. Yeah. Have you been down yourselves?
Oh yeah, quite a few times. Yeah. How did you go on in between tunnel that day when you went? Still there, that boat.
Oh, sorry, I spoke to you guys. I do apologise.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I've got such a bad memory for faces and names. Sorry, but
in front of us, weren't you, up here? Yeah, up here, just up.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I watched your boat.
Hillary P, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again, folks. Yeah. No, they were still there, those scallies. In fact, yeah, I went down there. Something else similar. I never got an answer to that, so I just thought, well, I'm going to assume it's okay. You know. But guys, listen, I do apologise. I'm going to have to jump in there, I think. Yeah, I'm going to see what's going on.
Yeah, you're going.
Okay, folks, going into Anderton boat lift. There's Trev behind me. Trev's Travels by Narrowboat, I think it's called. Lovely bloke. Absolutely astonishing. Astonishing piece of engineering. Right, just hear me, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want the centre line, yeah?
Yes, please.
There we go.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm sorry, I've given you a bit of pulling to do there.
Okay.
It suddenly gets a tad breezy when you're sort of exposed, and it pulls you out a little bit.
Got the updraft.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold it and free you up, or shall I just stay? Because I can just sort of stand on here if you want, and hold the boat myself.
No, you're okay.
Okay.
There you go. That's brilliant, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. There we go. So that is the nice gentleman operating the gate that seals the caisson, or at least it seals this. It's like an aqueduct, and ahead of us is the actual chamber. I think they call it the caisson.
Yeah, when the gate's up, I'll give you thumbs up. Make your wings together. Then I'll show you where to tie on then.
Right, okay. So you'll give us a thumbs up to move, yeah? Got you. Right. He wants us to go in together, Trev.
Okay.
So we'll just tick over whatever the...
No problem at all.
Yeah, it's... but what he's going to do, he's going to give us the thumbs up, he said. Look at the view down there, it's absolutely astonishing. Look, there's the Weaver. One day moorings down there. Right, what's he doing? Okay, Trev, we're off. I'm just going to go tick over. To be honest with you, I'm just being careful not to hit the barrier at the end.
Yeah.
Because even though you're going slow, the momentum's still huge.
If you grab your stern rope, then just time them up there.
Right.
That's it.
Stern rope on there, got you.
Yeah.
Hang on. If I just do a few winds, that'll do for now, won't it?
Yeah, you're fine.
Don't need to hit you or anything.
Yeah, you're okay.
And stay away from the back. Honestly, I just, it's awesome, isn't it? It really is. And I know you must get a bit blasé because you see it every day, but it's such an impressive thing for the first time, you know.
Yeah.
Such an impressive structure.
You know, you can switch your engine off if you're ready.
Engine off.
Thank you very much.
And down we go. So this is the most impressive part, I think. I feel a bit childish saying it, but it's awesome, isn't it? You know what I mean?
I hardly slept last night thinking about it.
I felt a bit silly this morning because I was getting excited thinking about it. It's absolutely unique, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think there's the Scottish one, the more modern design. Yeah. That must be a hell of a thing to
Yeah, strawberries at the back.
Can I just record that for my little theme?
Yeah.
Trev's back door stern garden.
The rubber take away.
Tomatoes, beans, courgettes, did you say?
Yeah, but they didn't grow. They sort of died.
Yeah, but of course we got the weather for it now as well,
Yeah.
so are you going to get like a full crop, so to speak?
Strawberries are here. Been picking. There was strawberries. They're small, but I've been picking strawberries.
No.
Yeah, I'll get a good. When I go. I've been across the
the big aqueduct in Wales.
Yeah,
Don't
yeah.
ask me to because I always get it wrong.
Well, I never got it right. Punskasitli or something like that.
Yeah.
That's the nearest I ever got. And I watched the videos of, what was his name? Dan Brown.
Yeah.
To try and learn, because he says it a few times. And so that was the nearest I got. It's still not right. I'll never get it right.
No, no lie.
They deliberately make it difficult for
Yeah,
you. And you see like a tiny steel rail, which is no wider than your gunnel.
I know.
It's no wider, and it's a lip. And you just look down. And
we're on the moon.
Oh, hello. It's like a James Bond contraption. Oh, and it's bouncing as well.
Yeah, they replace the steel with the winter. So like really on the ramp, really hard plastic. So
Yeah.
it takes quite a while to bend in the thing.
Now it's smoothing out a little bit now. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, have a good time, guys.
Thank you very much, young man. Cheers. This is just amazing. And there's a little tourist cafe over there where they watch. The other caisson is now going up as we're going down. You know, Trev, I've got to say, despite all the YouTube videos I've watched, it still surprised me. The way this thing looks and works and feels. What an astonishing. A cathedral to our industrial past. It feels like it's enormous height of this framework. Above us, that one going up. How heavy are those things? They're just enormous. The entire thing water and two 60-foot boats being held by a single pillar and thrust upwards. Astonishing. Right, now there's two ladies, Trev, waiting to take our photograph as we come out, so smarten up. Bib and tucker.
Afternoon, gentlemen, you made it.
I made it.
Survived.
Safely in one
Yeah.
Just have to get you out now.
That is quite something, it really is. It's astonishing, honestly. I've watched YouTube videos where you don't get a sense of the scale until you're here.
Yeah, it's a piece of kit.
It really is.
And she's got her own personality. As I was explaining to yourself yesterday, it was, you know, she operates within certain parameters and limitations, and if she doesn't like it, she tells you. The computer says no.
Well, you said you didn't have this one would be working today, this side.
Sequences and try and work out where the messages were being lost.
Do you know, it's astonishing to think though, isn't it? This is like a marriage of this really old industrial, heavy duty sort of machinery, but with a computer, bang up to date computer control system managing it. It's a real sort of synthesis in a strange way.
It is, and that's part of the beauty of it in a way, in that, as you say, it's a marriage. But yeah, I'm glad you like it.
It's astonishing, honestly. It's such an experience. No YouTube video can prepare you for the sort of the feeling of this giant, you know, metal. But it's amazing, honestly.
Get back in my position.
Right. Thank you very much, young man.
Is that a toot on the horn when we go on?
Yeah, once we're on the river, toot on the horn. Right, well, as I'm a gentleman, Trev, if you want to go first, maybe you can do it. Because I've got the bike, so if I have to moor across the river,
You don't mind.
it's no hardship for me, no. Yeah, we're getting a terrible drip up there. Well, we're going to be on about 30 people's cameras here, Trev, so
Yeah. Better make it with some
big
stuff.
smiles, yeah. There we go. I'll catch you later, Trev.
See you, Kyle.
Yeah, you take care, matey.
Okay.
Get this show on the road. Thank you very much indeed, young man.
Take care, my friend. I'll
Do
see
you,
on
do you
the
want a
way back.
little tooth now, or
No, I just like to the main street.
as we go into Main Street? And thanks again. Cheers.
See you on the way back.
Bye bye. So you're going to make a sharp turn. This is the trip road, by the way. That's the rear view back to the lift. So myself and Trev are both going to Northwich. So this is going to be interesting. Now I want to see what this boat will do. Trev was saying it'll go faster than I think it will on the river. So let's find out. It's blowy as well down here. The wind was not a factor up on the coast.